Hi everybody, Robert here, back with more Revit training, and we continue on with our warehouse project in Precast. So here we've got our roof frame in here. So we're going to continue on with our framing. We've got our wall panels here, which is a structural element. Then we got a beam here, and we've got some hollow section columns. So what I want to do here, I want to go back. I want to go all the way down into my. I'm going to do my 3D view, and I'll orient this to view, and I want to go to my floor plans. I want to go all the way down to my structural top of footing. Okay, if it will. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my videos. It helps me make these videos. And I got a request for live videos. So we'll be doing those soon. So here now I'm in my 3D view of my top of footing. So what I'm going to do here, I place one here. I want to go into my connections. I want to place a structural connection for the base of the columns. So here, to do that, you go on the structure, a connection here, and I'm sorry, you go to structure, connection, and you hit this little arrow, and these are all your connections. They're normally over here, but I jacked them all over here just so I can have access to them. And I'm gonna just cancel that because I don't need it. So now to do the connection for the column to the base. So this is actually a footing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and do to my my steel. I'm sorry, or structure. Connection here. And I want to select, just do a crossing here. Right click and on finish selection. And I'm going to my properties. And I'm going to select a base. Okay, so I'm going to base. Okay. Oh, I don't have my proper connection. So I'm going to try this again. Select the, just go here. I want to select the column and this. There you go. And then here. Okay, what's going on here? Sorry, guys. So I got an error message there. So I think this might be better doing this in the plan view. Okay. We'll try that again. Finish selection. I'm going to use a cut. Oh, that's what the problem is. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go into my plan view here, my top of footing. This is probably going to work out easier. See, it's not. That's the wrong connection. So I'll just undo that, and then I'll go back in here my connection, and then I'll select it. Do a crossing, select it along with the column, and then here I want to select the base plate, a column base, tube base, that one there. Yep. And I'll right click it and I'll finish it. And there's our base plate for our column. Now that might not be, yeah, let's go with that. I didn't do that here. I did something a little simpler here. Let's go with this one. So I'll go here, I'll select it. Actually, that's not as what I really want there. So let's go with something else. Let's go with something a little more simpler. There we go, I'll go with that one. Yeah, that's better for this. But then again, so we got these options here. So we can go with this guy here. I might use this one just because this is the, yeah, let's go with this one for now. So select it here. I want to change this one to base plate. And then I'll go and grab this one here. So this is connection. Just grab everything here. Finish selection. Same way here. And we'll finish connection. Okay, so now what we can also do, we can edit these. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to edit this type. We can go in here and make adjustments. Going to modify parameters here. But for this one, I might want to just leave it be. We get stiffeners, dimension. We can change the dimensions here. So that's a 5-inch. You might want to smaller, but this is all based on the engineer. So I'm going to just cancel that and go OK. And so we've got let me go back to my 3D view. So those are our column base plates. So now let's go back up to the roof. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my properties and I'm going to just end that, close that off, and go back up to the roof. So now on our roof, it's probably best to do in the plan view as well. I think that's going to work better for us. So we're here in our plan view, and there we got clip angles here. I placed a few for time's sake. There's another. Okay, we can do this one together. So what I do is I go into my connection, and here I'll go to my search, and I'll say clip angle. Again, please subscribe to the channel. This clip angle, and then just go here, right click, finish selection. There's that one. We don't have to worry about that being over. We can just select it here, right click, selection. That's a clip angle there. Sorry about the phone, folks. I got a group chat going on, and these guys decide, I guess it's a game on or something. But anyway, yeah, here we got another one here that's placed. And then we got this one here to do. So let's go and select this one. Right click. Sorry, folks. Get that out of here. Oh. Okay. Cancel. I'm going to go here. Connection. Right click. Finish selection. Another clip angle in here for this one. Right click. I've got a video on how to do these, so if you need to check them out, go ahead. Right click. I'll let you know what video it is. Okay. Why does this want to take so long? I'll just make an announcement now. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Okay. I know what's going on there. Okay. I'm going to abort that. And I want to just repeat. Let's see if I can just finish that off. I think that's something going on there and there, making that do that. Okay. Just canceled out of that one. There we go. So now we've got our structural framing pretty much done. So the thing we want to do now is we want to look at our roof. We want to add a roof here, and basically, I'm going to look at the roof as a floor, really. That's basically what it is. So we've got all our connections here, and then we're going to go here and look at our floor. Now, I'm going to just go to the roof plan again, go to the roof. And I'm going to my structural tab and over to structural floor. And here we're going to go with, we got 3-inch of concrete. We don't need that much on the roof. Let's go with metal roof deck, 1/2 inch, no concrete. Actually, we don't need any concrete up there. So let's just go with a metal roof deck, or we can go with lightweight concrete. But let's go with no concrete here. We might do another type of material. So I'm gonna go from here. Just draw a line here. And I think we want to do an offset here. Let's just draw it in first here. We'll go this way. All the way to there. To there. Go to there. Again, please subscribe to the channel. And anybody got any comments, put any comments in the comment section. And if anybody else who wants to do that live, just comment on what's your availability. What time would you like to do the live where you can come in and tune in. I think I'm going to do a live on construction documents for this actual project. So once we're done, we can go together and do the construction docs. So I'm going to align this to here. And now I'm going to give my span direction. I think I want the span direction to go this way. It's always the shorter distance. Then I'll finish it. I won't attach. So there we have our roof on it now. Okay, so there's our roof now. Let's go look at this in our section view. So there's our roof, and so we just got a steel roof. So let's just select this guy and let's offset it 3 inches. Let me see. Nope, not 3 inches. Let's go down a bit. But this needs to sit on top here. Let me show this in texture. Okay, so yeah, this needs to sit top. So I'm going to grab it again, and I'm going to make this, it should be, let's make it 1 inch. Let's make it 0. Let's fit it right on top. Nope, not 0. Let's go with 2 inches. Uh-oh, sorry. 2. What's this? Make it 1. Hell. But you get the idea. Or 1.5. Oh yeah, it says 1.5, no concrete. So we're going to make this offset 1.5, just so it'll sit on top. But anyway, guys, there you go. So let's go back into our 3D view. So there's our roof. Now we can do openings on this guy because they want to have openings here. And let me see how much time we got. I don't like spending too much time on these, so for this, let's go and draw. Let's select this, and we can do drain. We're gonna modify this, and we're gonna put a point here. We're gonna add a point here. I'm going to cancel that for now. Let's just do the skylights for now. I'll do the points later because I've done videos on how to do this before. So I'm going to cancel out of that. And let's just drop this down. Well, I'm going to cancel that. And I'm going to leave it there. I'll do this in the other stuff in another video. But I'm going to go back to my roof plan. And I'm going to go into my insert tab. I'm going to go to load of family, and I'm going to do some ceiling openings here. So windows, influence curtain wall. But anyway, skylight. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to skylight here. I'm going to load it in here. Then I'm going to go and say, you don't have to be that big. Let's just do let's do a 24 by 24. No, 36 by 36 is probably best. 3 by 3 foot. And then I'll just go to my architecture tab, do a window. That's my skylight. And great, it won't place here. So anyway, guys, I'll work on that later. We probably got to do some other type of opening. It probably has to be a roof. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Everybody be safe, and thanks for watching. Yep, we're moving along here. This is our precast building. We got our roof and our framing all done. So, hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Be safe. Please subscribe.